Good Tuesday morning, everyone. A couple of things that have popped up recently that you should be aware of because it's important to you. So, if you are a Norton antivirus, Norton LifeLock user, your Norton has probably recently updated, or if you have recently purchased Norton as your antivirus for your Windows 10, Windows 11 computer, which for most of you, you really don't need it because Windows 10, Windows 11 comes with a built-in antivirus, anti-spyware, But if you have been a victim of identity theft, definitely if you're going to go with one, Norton LifeLock would be the one to go with. However, now I have reservations about saying that statement. So this came across my news feed yesterday. Norton now comes with a crypto miner. And I've got videos on here about cryptocurrency and stuff like that, but the fact that a security company is installing a crypto miner on your computer, now they claim it's an opt-in. It doesn't automatically run, and that you get to keep 85% of what your computer makes for you off your crypto mining. However, let me put this out here. There are reasons why there are whole warehouses full of dedicated computers to crypto mining because it's difficult. One, if you're actually mining, finding a new blockchain that has never been used before, it takes a lot of time and resources. Two, and the way Norton describes it, all they are doing your computer for is validating transactions, and they only do it when your computer is idle. And if that is the case, they are allowing your computer to have access by anonymous people, whether it be, whoever, but they're using your computer without your full knowledge. Let's put it that way. Turning it on, you think you're going to make money off of this, and you're not, because there are millions upon millions of computers out there already doing this. So the likelihood of you making any money off of it on your personal computer is slim and none. However, Norton seems to think that, hey, if you turn this on and run it, then you can make a little bit of money off of it. And then you can cash out. And then cash out is through Coinbase. And now Coinbase, of course, you see that was the platform I used for crypto markets, so I could show you how it works. So you just go to go to Coinbase, and then you can open up your account with your wallet and cash out. But the problem is with cashing out, there's a gas fee for that. And if you don't know what a gas fee is, it's basically if you're in business, you know what a credit card transaction fees. It's the fees that we get on the back end for processing, or we get charged for a third-party processing credit cards for us, and so that's the same thing. That gas fee is what's supposed to kick back to the Norton users, in which you get 85% of that. But no, I don't think so. I just wanted to bring this up because they're not the only company doing this. Now, let me get over here and open up this other tab. Avira is now doing the same thing. Now, Avira is a free antivirus, not a paid one like Norton. So they have a little bit of a reason to kind of like encourage their users to do this, kind of offset the cost of their free software, and kind of like a way of getting back. But still, this allows anonymous transactions, and blockchains are completely secure. Don't get me wrong, no one's going to be hacking your computer through this process. But again, they're using your computer. You're going to be probably spending more on electricity powering your computer than you'll make off of this. I throw those out there. You can look these up on Google, so you can do your own research on it and check with Norton or Avira also. They say that you can also delete it, but users have reported that it's a pain in the butt to delete it. And then cashing out has been a nightmare so far from what I have understood. So yeah, you get to keep 85%, and then they're going to tack you with a gas fee when you cash out. Yeah, how nice of them. But Coinbase has got to make money too, I guess. So yeah, I just wanted you to be aware of, because all of the antivirus companies about 6-7 years ago, you used to be able to put a coin miner on a website. And what that would do is every time you were on a particular website, the coin miner would run. It would make income for the website. And every antivirus company in the world started writing scripts to detect coin miners. In fact, Norton still does, to detect and stop coin miners on websites. And now Norton is going to do this. So you kind of see my dilemma of like, yeah. So, but maybe it's going to be a good thing. I don't know. Certainly if you have Norton and your computer is always on, again, it just bothers me that, that they have decided that, hey, they can do this. That again, like I said, they say that it is opt-in, that you have to go into, of all places, your tamper protection services on Norton to turn it on and off. But again, if you're writing antivirus protection to stop other companies from mining, as of like 7-8 years ago, from websites, now suddenly you're jumping on the bandwagon of crypto mining. It just doesn't feel right to me. So, and a lot of people have jumped on the bandwagon against this, but if you have Norton, check to make sure this is not turned on. If you don't want this capability, and now you may want it might not bother you at all. But yeah, this just befuddles me. For Norton to do it, for Avira to do it, and I'm sure there are still hundreds of thousands of websites out there that do it on the back end too. But like I said, for years, every one of the antivirus companies was out there that they detected a website that had a crypto miner on it, they blocked the website. Now they're going to introduce crypto into their own antivirus. I don't get it. So anyways, I just wanted you to be aware of this change. You might not have heard it. Obviously, this came across my Brain Trust group. And yeah, I'm clueless. So anyways, don't forget you can find us on Facebook. You can find us through here. Just search for us. You can find us on MeWe. Get a search for us by name. Please like, share, and subscribe. It greatly helps. There's our website. All that stuff. In other news also, we are not intending to raise our prices this year. Subject to change. Whole world might go upside down. Where everyone else is raising their prices, we are going to try and not to. I've said this for many, many months. So, in-store service fee, still $100. If I come to you, it's $125. Businesses, $65 an hour. Nonprofits are $45. So, yep, cover 5 counties. Like, share, and subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. You guys have a great and wonderful day.